Hey guys, I'm Danielle, and in this video I'm going to show you how to open a pull request. So first off, what is a pull request and when do we open them? A pull request is a change or an update to the master branch proposed by a contributor. So anyone can make them, but they have to be approved by a collaborator, which is someone who has access to the master branch and has the authority to update it in order for it to be merged. You should open a pull request once your assignment is done. In most cases, opening a pull request is going to be like a task on your issue, so you'll know exactly when to do them. But it is really important to know that you can commit and push your files as often and as many times as you'd like, and we encourage that you do that because we want you to update your repository as often as possible, but you can only open a pull request on a branch once. Okay, so opening a pull request via GitHub Desktop. So I recently just committed and pushed some changes to my local repository. So this popped up. And so you could click that. But if that for some reason isn't popping up, you would just click branch, create pull request, and it's going to bring you to the GitHub website and open or automatically start your pull request for you. However, if you use the GitHub website to make changes to your repository, you can also just go right there. So once again, I just made changes. I would just click compare and pull request, or if for some reason that's not popping up, click pull requests, and then click new pull request on the bottom. So I'm just going to click this one. Your pull request title is just going to be the title of the branch that you're requesting to merge. The base repository, this is something that's only going to pop up if you're making changes on your forked repository, which is what you should be doing, but these two items. So your base repository is going to be the original repository, and the head is going to be your forked repository. Base and compare are always going to be there. You want to make sure that base is your master and compare is the branch you're looking to merge. Okay, so this is pretty self-explanatory. The issue number you're going to be referring to is the assignment you were given. So for the most part, your assignments are going to be given as an issue, and your issue will have an assigned number on it. So say it said like 102. I would type it in and it'll automatically come up. So issue. Next, you're just going to put in a brief description of your changes, anything you did in your pull request. So this is where you'd say like completed the assignment described in issue 102. So like created a blog, built some code, anything like that. Just a few sentences describing what you did. And if you had any code in Sandbox, you would link it here. If you had to make a Loom video describing what you were doing, then you would put the link right here. And then here is where you'd put your project manager's username and your QA's GitHub username. So say if I wanted to add Shreya, I would click it and her username would come up. So, and then assignees is going to be whoever you're assigning the issue to. You can add labels. Most of this stuff is going to be specified in your issue, so don't get too worried if you're watching this right now and don't really know what to do. But yeah, so your issue should tell you when to make a pull request and who to assign, stuff like that. If you need to make a Loom video, if you need to add a Sandbox link. And that's just about it. Yeah, after you fill out all of that, you would just hit create pull request, and everything else would be up to your project manager or whoever the assignee is. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.